All right, we made it to the airport. We are walking up to the Magical Express. Here comes the best part.
To go to the Pop Century, be line 7.
All right, thank you. Well, we're on the Magical Express and
Creepy as ever.
we have our own spotlight.
It follows me everywhere I go.
I know, I'm like, half my face is
No, I look
dark.
I look like a serial killer.
Oh my gosh.
Next.
Oh
I'm kidding.
gosh, that's terrifying.
Pool filled. Surf bathing.
All right, we made it off the Magical Express. First time here. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh man. I know, right? The Disney smell. Oh, this is so nice. Oh yeah. Look at all this. This is so fun. All right, let's check in. We are all checked in. We got our room and we are in the 50s section. So we are walking there right now and we're on the 3rd floor. I think she said straight back here.
Yeah, building 2.
Yeah. This is our first time staying here, so we're kind of trying to figure out where to go. But this is so fun. Like, I love how over the top it is. You know? You know what I mean?
Oh, I totally know what you mean.
Okay. This is really cool. I love this. Okay, so we're headed towards building 2. Oh gosh, we're on some bumpy ground here. The camera's gonna be shaking so much. I know, I'm like, whoa, gosh. All right, we're good now. So here's the 50s pool.
So this pool is only limited to people in their 50s or? I'm kidding.
No.
I will not be going there.
You have to be in your 50s to go in this pool. Sign me up.
Oh boy.
All right, we made it to the 3rd floor. We have a pool view, the lovely pool. All right, here, take my magic band off and you.
Oh, I was gonna try the new
you do
phone
it.
thing.
Oh yeah, do that.
I thought this was unbelievable.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, try it out.
Oh my.
It worked. Oh, let me grab my suitcase. We're here. These are nice. Ooh. I like it. Okay, so this is our first time staying at Pop Century, and these are the new renovated rooms. I'm really pumped to be here. So this is like the first time I'm actually really checking it out. So I just told Andy to like, hey, get the camera out while I check it out. So,
As we all know, I'm an Instagram husband
yeah,
too.
I
So.
know, right? These are cool. I don't know if I've seen these kind of fridges before. These are cool. And it has its own coffee maker, which I don't know if that's like standard for value resorts. I don't think value resorts have coffee makers. So that's cool. And then this is like the famous Murphy bed. Okay, you grab the other chair because I just want to see what this is for myself. Like, I keep seeing all these other people with the Murphy bed, and I'm like, okay, I gotta try this out. All right. Oh, it really is super easy. Ooh, and it just kind of like falls into place. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna sleep here. And just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Wonder. Oh, and the Pluto. That's super cute. All right. See?
Stop.
Just kidding.
It's not that difficult.
It's super nice. It's not heavy at all.
So dramatic as usual.
All right. And I'm loving that these actually have their own night tables or little nightstands, because we've stayed in other resorts before that only one side of the bed has it. And I don't know, I just appreciate that both sides of the bed have it. And this really trendy dresser.
What are you gonna like go make an offer at the front desk and see how much it
This really trendy dresser.
How much would it take for you to part ways with this?
These are actually really cool though. And you have all these USBs and outlets up here and a huge TV. So that's awesome. And this artwork is so fun. I seriously love this artwork. I think it's really cool. Like, I think it just fits the resort. So I love it. And do you think we'll have enough pillows?
I might call and ask for a few more.
We might need a few more.
Yeah.
So that's one thing to keep in mind.
It's just
That you
there's
might
not that many pillows, so
Yeah, there's only 2, 4, 6, 8 pillows for. So
yeah.
I don't know. You might.
Wait, I wonder if we could. This. If the bed isn't comfy.
This is turning into like the weirdest room tour.
If the bed isn't comfy, you can line up a couple extra pillows and make a whole nother mattress.
Bye.
Where do you think you're going?
Just kidding. I was just showing off this trendy sliding door.
Oh yeah, you're gonna make an offer on that too.
Wait, we need one of these in our house.
Don't know.
Seriously.
No, we don't.
No, in our bathroom, because you ripped the door frame off trying to get that.
Yeah.
Trying to get that little hinge
That's
off.
true. We're not gonna dive into that tonight.
That's nice though, because
Yeah.
I think in the past they were just like curtains. So I appreciate the fact that it's an actual sliding door. And then, I mean, there's just like tons of storage in here. Like.
Oh wow, your face looks massive in that mirror right now. It's like upside down.
Turn that away. No.
It's so great.
Turn that around.
Oh, it just showed how beautiful you are.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so lots of storage, and I feel like some of these, let me put the light on in here, they have the sliding glass on the bathtub now, but I've seen that some of them have a shower, though, like a walk-in shower with the same sliding glass, and then others have the bathtub. So I'm not sure if, I guess those are the handicap accessible rooms, and then these are just the standard room that has the bathtub, but then it has these attached to the wall, which is really sad because I love taking those home. But
I mean, hey, they're free.
I mean, I get why they did that. So anyway, I love it. What are your thoughts? I like it a lot.
I just think it's great. It's a great commode. That's what we say in Tennessee. Well, some of us, but not us.
There's a hairdryer and iron in here.
Yeah.
So lots of extra toilet paper.
Yeah,
so.
for those of you who need that kind of thing.
That's nice.
Some people need it.
Ooh, okay, and then I love when they have the vertical storage on it too, so that's really nice.
Yep, because we brought heavy coats.
To hang all of my winter coats up.
Yep.
It's just really nice to have.
Yeah,
to
88
have
with
those.
winter coats on.
Yeah. Yeah.
I feel like that's about it.
I like it. I'm excited for them to fully renovate all the other all-star resorts, and yeah, I love the upgrades that they're doing. I think these are seriously awesome. They look great, and I mean, it definitely has more of a moderate feel now than those older, outdated value rooms. So I really like it.
And for us too, I think. I mean, it's minimalistic, which is
Yeah.
fine for us because we don't need a whole lot. And so we're going to be
Yeah.
out most of the day anyway.
But it still sleeps 4 people. But yeah, it's great for us because it's like we don't need a ton. But I mean, there's a ton of storage, and I mean, there's so much room under the bed, even so you can slide all of your luggage under there and
Or your children, or
your loved ones. I mean, you could really sleep a 5th person if you want to slide someone under there.
your mother-in-law. I love your mom. I would never put her under the bed.
Julie would be like, okay.
With joy.
Like, ooh, I'll sleep there.
Ooh, how fun.
So, anyway, yeah, it's great. I love it.
Any last thoughts before we conclude?
That's it. I think it's great. So,
Sweet.
anyway, yeah, there it is.
Great tour. Quality.
Stop.
Now you got to include this in the video. You can't not include this.
Just stop recording.
This is literally what it's like to live with this woman. All right, 10 out of 10.
Okay, so we just wrapped up dinner at the Classic Hall, and we are headed back to the room now. And we are crazy tired, so this is it for day 1. But wait, I don't want to go up the elevator. It goes so hot in there. We made it back up the stairs. Intermission. It's kind of like a maze to get back to our room a little bit.
Don't worry, I got this. I'm like the least directionally, I'm like directionally impaired. I do know that our room is right around this corner though.
It is that. So.
It is that.
All right, babe, wait.
Oh.
We're here. We're at Disney World.
We made it.
So,
Yep.
there's day 1, but we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.